Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how I make egusi soup. There are different ways to make egusi soup. So if you want to see how I make this delicious egusi soup, please keep on watching. My name is Bernice and you're welcome to my kitchen. So here are the list of ingredients I'll be using for this soup. Goat's meat, cow tripe, crayfish, dried fish and stockfish. This is egusi, and I'll have to wash and blend it. Some tomato and capsicum, onions, seasoning cubes, pepper, salt, bitter leaf. I'll be using bitter leaf for this recipe, but you can also use any spinach or vegetable of your choice. So I'm going to be putting the beef and the stockfish into the pot, and I'm going to add the diced onions, seasoning cube and some salt, and I'm going to stir this and allow this to steam in its own juice for 10 minutes. And now this is 10 minutes after I put the goat meat and the stockfish into the pot, and it's been steaming for 10 minutes. So I'm going to add some water to this to the same level of the meat, and I'll still allow to cook till it's tender. Now in my blender I have already washed my melon seeds, that's the egusi, and I'm going to add that and the remaining onions to it, and I'll blend it. And I'm going to be blending the tomato and the capsicum together, and I'm just going to blend it separately from the egusi. So now the meat has been cooking for like 45 minutes, it's tender, and in another pot I'm going to be adding the palm oil, and I'll just heat that up, after which I'm going to add the blended egusi and onions, and I'm going to stir these often. Like, I'm just going to keep on stirring this to avoid it from getting burnt. Please keep on stirring this occasionally, because it's definitely, if you don't attend to it or stir it, it's going to get burnt. And if you're coming across my channel for the very first time, I say welcome, a very big welcome to you. Thank you for stopping by, and please don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button to join this wonderful family. And to my returning subscribers, I say thank you very much for your love and your support. You guys are the best. I mean the best. You guys are the best. And please do not forget to like this video, share and comment. Thank you very much. And I've been frying this for like 5 minutes now. And as you can see, the water in it, or the liquid in it, has started reducing. So I'll still keep on frying this for like 1 to 2 minutes more till it's totally dry, like almost like that gari seed, like the grain of gari. Yeah, I'll just fry it till it's well dried. And as you can see, this is the texture I'm looking for. So I'm just going to, fry a bit, and I'm going to add, at this point we are meant to add our tomato and pepper mix. I'm sorry, I forgot. I was so hungry and all I just wanted to do was just to cook and go and eat. So I'm just going to add the tomato and pepper mix, the capsicum at this point, and I'll just add this dried fish and crayfish, and I'll cook for 10 minutes. Actually, if I had added the tomato earlier on, I would have just fried it for 5 minutes more before adding the meat stock. So please just note that you have to fry the tomato and peppered mix before adding the meat stock. And now this has been cooking for like 10 minutes. So I'm going to introduce the grounded pepper, that's the dried pepper, and seasoning cube. Give this a stir and allow to cook for like 5 more minutes. And this is egusi soup, so we have to keep stirring this, because if you don't stir it, it will definitely get burnt on that. So that's why I'm always stirring this. And naturally, I just love stirring my food. So yeah, so this has been cooking for like 10 minutes, and I'm going to add in the bitter leaves, and I'll allow this to also cook for like 5 minutes, and after which the soup is ready to be served. Please note, you have to wash this bitter leaf very well before adding it to any soup you're going to cook it with, because bitter leaf is actually bitter. Yeah, so we just have to do it so that at the end of the day, not after suffering to cook, and you won't be able to eat this soup. And our egusi soup is ready. And yeah, you can serve this with whatever fufu of your choice, be it cassava fufu, semo, pounded yam, gari, whichever thing. You can also serve this with rice. Yes, rice. Egusi is versatile. And thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video. I love you all, and please stay safe. Bye.